Hey you guys, it's Molly. I am going to, this is a 24 by 24 inch canvas. I am going to try again for the rainbow cloudy effect. I have my paints here. I think I'm gonna start with the red side. I'm just gonna pour these out. I have no white in here. Both times, the other times I tried it, I had the satin enamel in the center, and I really didn't like that. Okay, so there's that part, and so I had an idea. So I have my satin enamel here. I think it's the right consistency. Let me check. So I've got it mixed up in like this big jug or whatever. And I'm debating whether or not to pour some right around the edge there. I think I'm gonna wait and just pour it here first. Okay, and then maybe I'll just pour a little bit. Oh, I don't know if I should or not, guys. Okay, so then my thought was to come back around with just more rings of just color. And when those roll over the satin enamel, that hopefully they'll create colors in those cells, the ones that I'm looking for. There's no silicone in any of these. So if this one doesn't work, next time I might try it and put a little bit of the white around it, but we'll see. So a ring in the middle, and then all my colors to push out. And purple as my last. So I didn't really go in the order of the rainbow this time around. So I finally got my shipment in of the satin enamel. Took forever, had to get it off Amazon because nobody has it here in Florida either. Okay. I think maybe I should have gone with a ring around the inside there. I don't know. I'll find out, right? Okay, so let me just put some gloves on real quick so I don't get my hands completely. Okay, and this is a very big canvas, so it may go out of screen a little bit. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm gonna let this, really cool looking, but I'm gonna let this set up and we'll see what happens on the outside for those rings. Okay, so I'll see you guys back in a little bit. I'll show you what ended up happening. Okay, you guys, this is about 10 minutes later. I'm gonna take you down. The cells developed really fast. I'm getting there with the technique that I want. It's just not quite there yet, but I'm starting to get the cells with different colors in them. So my ideal is to have the cells, oh, those are also pretty. To have the cells, and that's the center, that yellow muddied just a little bit, but to have the cells the different colors of the rainbow. And I also want them to spiral in the center. But I don't know if I'm gonna, ooh, that was fast, sorry. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get there. But as long as you guys are okay with it, I'm gonna keep trying. So that is it for now. And then I'll wait till it dries and show you guys some other pictures. So I've got green, got some purple, got some blue. I'm getting there. I just gotta, you know, it takes practice. It takes time. You guys, if you have a technique you like and you haven't gotten it yet, just keep trying. If you have the money, just keep trying because, you know, you'll figure it out. That's the beauty about this. And then when you do, it's gonna be so exciting. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll show you the finished product. Happy painting. Bye. Okay, guys, so the middle is still a little bit wet, but this outer side is dry. And you can see I'm starting to get the rainbow in each of the little cell parts. And that's what I've been going for. I like the purple ones and the lime green ones. So again, the center is not quite what I want. But I gotta just play around and figure that part out. I mean, I like the center, don't get me wrong. It's got that yellow and purple in there, and it just made that kind of, you know, odd color, but yellow and purple will do that sometimes. I love that red and blue. They stayed so distinct here and mixed there, but so I'm gonna keep working. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna keep trying. If you guys have a painting that you're working on and you just can't get it, just keep trying if you can. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Until my next experiment, right? I'll see you guys later. All right, happy painting. Bye.